The world is growing warmer. Every summer the sun feels a little stronger, the cities a little hotter. We search for places that are still wild, still cool, and still quiet. Imagine a land where giant sculptures of ice float silently in the deep blue sea. This is Greenland. Greenland is a land of incredible beauty, a true escape from our hot and busy world. It's the perfect destination for a new kind of journey, the Coolcation. This is an invitation to explore Greenland through my eyes. We'll travel together to this vast island of ice and rock, meeting its people and witnessing its wonders. This is a story about a solo journey, finding peace in the quiet of the Arctic, feeling small next to giant icebergs and immense glaciers. In a crowded, noisy world, Greenland offers space to breathe, to think, and to reconnect with nature. Picture the summer of 2025. Record temperatures everywhere. People searching for new ways to travel. They're tired of crowded beaches and hot cities. They want something different, an adventure that cools the body and inspires the soul. Greenland is the answer. Here, ancient traditions meet modern life. You witness the power of nature and feel its gentle, cooling touch. This journey is more than a holiday, it's a transformation. So let's begin. Let's leave the heat behind and travel north to the world's largest island. Over 80% of Greenland is covered by a magnificent ice cap. A place of wonder, silence, and incredible life. We'll discover why so many are choosing cool destinations, and why Greenland captures the hearts of those who visit. Prepare for a journey to a land of ice and light, a land that will stay with you forever. The way we travel is changing. The classic beach holiday is giving way to a new trend, the Coolcation. A Coolcation is a holiday to a colder place. Mountains, forests, Arctic regions, where travelers seek the cool instead of the sun. Why? Rising global temperatures make people crave a real break from the heat. They want to feel refreshed, not exhausted. Coolcations offer that escape. This trend is especially popular among solo travelers. Traveling alone gives you freedom and time for yourself. More people than ever are choosing solo adventures for unique experiences and personal growth. Cool destinations like Greenland, Iceland, and Norway are perfect, safe, beautiful, and full of adventure. These places aren't empty. They're full of opportunities to meet new people, learn and challenge yourself. The quiet and space help you reflect. Coolcations also mean fewer crowds. Popular warm destinations are often packed and stressful. In contrast, Coolcations offer peace and solitude. Imagine standing on a quiet shoreline, watching icebergs float by with no one else around. The Coolcation is more than a holiday. It's a response to our changing world. It's about comfort, adventure, and genuine connection. For the solo traveler, it's the ultimate journey of self-discovery, and there's no better place for this than Greenland. Greenland promises not just a change of scenery, but a change within yourself.
Traveling the world? Don't let dead batteries slow you down. Meet the Ceptics Universal Travel Adapter Kit, your ultimate power solution for any destination. Charge multiple devices simultaneously with 2 USB ports, a USB-C, and 2 US outlets. Quick Charge 3.0 quickly powers your phone, and built-in surge protection keeps devices safe. Thanks to included adapters, it works in Europe, the UK, Australia, Japan, and more. Plug in your laptop and phone at the same time. No more waiting in your hotel room. Ultra lightweight, travel pouch included, and ETL safety tested. Perfect for phones, laptops, and cameras. Grab yours now and stay powered wherever you go. Want to learn more? Click
The journey to Greenland is an adventure in itself. Flying over the North Atlantic, the world below transforms. Ocean gives way to endless white. The Greenland ice sheet stretches as far as the eye can see, a reminder of nature's immense scale. As the plane descends toward Nuuk, the capital, colorful houses appear between rocky hills and dark fjord waters. Stepping off the plane, the air is crisp, clean, and cool, a welcome relief. Nuuk is a city of contrasts. Modern buildings and stylish cafes beside fishing boats, and the Greenlandic language. It's a place where ancient culture meets the future. For solo travelers, Nuuk feels welcoming and easy to explore. Walk the old colonial harbor, visit the Greenland National Museum, and learn about the island's rich history. In the evening, try local food and meet friendly locals eager to share their stories. The wild is never far away. From anywhere in Nuuk, you see the majestic mountain Ceptics and icebergs drifting past. This is the magic of Nuuk. Modern comforts and raw Arctic beauty side by side. It's the perfect starting point for a Greenlandic adventure. Leaving Nuuk, the true Greenlandic adventure begins on the water. A boat trip into the vast Nuuk fjord system is essential, one of the world's largest, cutting deep into the land. As the boat moves away, Arctic silence surrounds you. Only the hum of the engine, seabirds, and crackling ice remain. The main attraction, icebergs. These are giant sculpted mountains of ice, each unique, some streaked with brilliant blue. For a deeper connection, take a guided kayak tour. Glide silently among the floating giants, a humbling experience. The waters teem with life. Watch for humpback whales, minke whales, orcas, and seals resting on ice. This is more than sightseeing, it's an active, engaging experience. The cold spray, the thunder of breaking ice, the sense of wonder. For solo travelers, these moments are especially powerful. Alone with your thoughts, surrounded by ancient beauty, you see the world and yourself differently. It's a journey that awakens the senses and nourishes the soul. A journey to Greenland isn't complete without experiencing its unique culture. The Inuit people have a rich heritage, deeply connected to the land and sea. As a solo traveler, you can visit workshops where artists create crafts from bone, stone, and hide. Each piece tells a story. The warmth of the Greenlandic community surprises many. In a cold land, the people are incredibly welcoming. You might be invited to a kafamik, a traditional gathering with coffee, cake, and conversation. Food is another window into Greenlandic life. Try Arctic char, halibut, muskox, reindeer, or Greenlandic lamb, each dish a taste of the land. Exploring culture adds depth to your journey. It's not just about landscapes, but about connecting with the people who call this place home. Survival in the Arctic is about community, sharing, and respect for nature. As a solo traveler, you leave Greenland with more than memories. You gain a profound appreciation for the resilience and warmth of its people. To truly understand Greenland, listen to those who know it best. Dr. Anya Sharma, a climate scientist, says, "Greenland is the front line of climate change, but also a place of hope and resilience. Standing by a glacier, you feel connected to the planet's history." For solo travelers, this is life-changing. Malik, a local hunter and guide, shares, "The ice is our life. It tells us when the seasons change and gives us food. Travelers come quiet, but soon they understand. They leave with a piece of Greenland in their hearts." Chloe, a solo traveler from Australia, reflects, "I came here for space to think." Being alone in such a huge, beautiful place isn't lonely, it's freeing. "Kayaking near a whale, I cried. This trip taught me I'm stronger than I thought." These stories reveal Greenland's true power. It touches everyone, but especially solo travelers. Greenland offers adventure, solitude, and connection, to nature, to culture, and to yourself. It's more than a destination, it's an experience that changes you and stays with you long after you return home.
Ultimately, a solo trip here is a journey of self-discovery. The solitude is enriching, giving you space to reflect on your life and dreams. You return home with more than photos. You gain a renewed sense of purpose and a deeper understanding of yourself. The clarity you find in the Arctic is a gift that warms your heart for years to come.
Solo travel is a test of independence and resilience. In Greenland, every achievement builds confidence.
Surrounded by nature's power, you stand before ancient glaciers and drifting icebergs. Your worries shrink, replaced by awe and humility. This shift in perspective is freeing. You see your life with new eyes and appreciate simple, beautiful things.
There's a special magic in traveling alone, especially in Greenland's vast quiet. Away from daily noise, your mind clears. The sound of wind and the sight of endless horizons replace constant chatter. Travel with an open heart and mind. Learn a few Greenlandic words, listen to local stories, and respect traditions. This cultural exchange enriches your experience and builds lasting connections. By traveling this way, we do more than see a new place. We build bridges of understanding.
Respect the environment. Follow guides, leave no rubbish, stay on trails, and keep a respectful distance from wildlife.
Support the local economy. Buy from local artists, eat local food, hire local guides. Your choices benefit the community directly.
Visiting Greenland comes with responsibility. We must travel with care and respect to preserve its beauty. Responsible tourism means making choices that help the local community and protect the environment. We've journeyed together to Greenland, seen its icebergs, culture, and welcoming people. We've learned about Coolcations and the rewards of solo travel. Greenland is more than a destination. It's a feeling: crisp air, awe at a breaching whale, peace in immense silence. This is your invitation to dream of your own adventure. Maybe your Coolcation is Greenland, or maybe it's the mountains of Scotland or the forests of Finland. The most important step is deciding to go. Solo travel builds confidence and independence, letting you create your own perfect journey. You'll discover new things about the world and yourself. Your own great adventure is waiting. Share your dream Coolcation in the comments below. Let's inspire and support each other as a community of curious travelers. The adventure doesn't end here. For all of us, it's just beginning. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Go Globetrotters Travel YouTube channel for more adventures. Your support helps us bring you more inspiring travel stories. Thank you for watching.